I'm going to show you how you can make a super easy vignette inside of Premiere Pro. And I'm going to show you how you can use this in a really good way and some tips and tricks on how you can make your vignettes looks better. So the first thing we need to do, you can click the color tab right up here to open the Lumetri Color panel. Or if you can't see it right there, you can also click the window and go down to Lumetri Color. So at the bottom of this Lumetri Color panel, we have a option called Vignette. And here we have 4 different ways of adjusting our vignette. So one of the pros tips that I have for you is that we are going to just slide this, all the sliders to the right. And then you'll see that we are making like a darker outside here. And you can play around with the midpoint, so how the midpoint is going to look, and the roundness. And you can have like a oval shape, a circle shape, and you can just play around with this inside of this panel. And the amount of feathering and the amount of vignette that you are getting is decided by this amount slider here. So right now we have a dark outer shell, but if you slide this the other way, it will become lighter. So that is something to keep in mind, and depending on what kind of look you want for your footage. But I'm going to have a darker vignette, so maybe around there. And I also want to have a more oval shape, so I kind of want this middle here to be in the center. And you can also play around with the roundness, so maybe around there. And then finally we can feather this so it blends in a little bit more. So if I slide it around there, we can click before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. But what if you want to have this effect on multiple clips? I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let's say I have this other clip right here, and I'm just going to drag this clip to the timeline as well. So to have the vignette on multiple clips, we can go into our project bin right here and select new item, and we can make a adjustment layer. So we can make an adjustment layer by clicking OK, and then we can just drag this on top of our footage and make sure that it fits both of the clips. So let's say we start with this clip right here. We are selecting our adjustment layer and we can make a vignette. So let's make a quick vignette right here, just adjusting the feather. And now this vignette will work on both clips and it will look the same. And that is a really easy way to make your vignette on multiple clips. To learn even more about Premiere Pro, click on one of the videos on the screen right now. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Create and inspire, and I will see you in the next video.